Okay, so I'm going to be doing a sound test versus the JBL Extreme 3 and the Charge 5, which is down here. I'm going to be doing the Extreme 3 first. I'll put them both in the same position and they'll both be at full volume playing the same song, NCS Diamond Eyes Everything, because I always use that one. So I'll just start with the Extreme 3, as you can see, full volume.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Alrighty, now I'll do the Charge 5. Alright, and this is the Charge 5 in the same position, full volume as well, same song. Enjoy.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Well, to be honest, from my position that sounded incredibly similar, but this has a little bit more punchy bass, but you can skip through them, skip to both segments, and that might be easier for you to tell the difference. But from where I'm standing, to be honest, I don't see much difference, honestly, but you can tell for yourself, so enjoy that.